Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I'll show you how you can check battery capacity in this device. So at the first you have to open the Play Store, click on the search pool, and then you have to download application name Ampere, this one. And right now we have to click install. By the way, it's from the Braintrap. Now you have to be patient and just wait until the download will be finished. As you can see right now it's finished, so we can open our application. Click yes, agree, click close, and then we have to tap OK. And we can swipe for the right to get other theme of the same data. And as you can see here, we can check the capacity of our battery. We can also check here other data like temperature of your battery, Android version, or for example the health of your battery. And that's how it looks. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.